hours of lunch.
After 2 hours of lunch. So we'll be back around 1, 2 o'clock. After 2 hours of lunch, no? And then, makukuha na namin yung result by 6 p.m. Right
Yes.
now.
Otherwise, sir, there is patient. And then I would wake up early morning. Good thing it's not my duty.
It's very busy. Dito kami blood report. Toprani. Na-injection na tayo, guys. And what I don't like is they will inject me again later. So what will happen to me when I'm about to give birth? How many times do they have to get my blood?
So many times. It's less than what I get.
To use that car?
No.
It will be in our house for the whole day. Trabaho namin. And then, uwi na kami sa bahay para matulog. Sobrang mainit talaga.
The temperature right now is probably
50.
45.
45 slice.
No.
Huh? Which one you like more? Is this better? I did 1 and 2. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Milan.
Good morning.
So, maaga kami nagising ngayon, guys. And as you can see, parang mukhang wala pa akong ligo. Kasi Milan told me na, don't take bath na. Let's go and take your test first. Kasi we have to do the diabetes test today. Wherein there will be CBC and everything. So, kailangan na pumunta kami doon without eating anything and without drinking anything. So, alas 7 pa lang. Umalis na kami. So, ngayon, papunta na kami doon. And then, what time we have to go back again, Milan?
Where?
For that, another test after eating?
For baby to be, yes, after 2 hours of lunch.
After 2 hours of lunch. So, we'll be back around 1, 2 o'clock. After 2 hours of lunch, no? And then, makukuha na namin yung result by 6 p.m. mamayang gabi. Tapos nun, since 12 is Sunday. Sunday ba bukas? Sunday na. Tomorrow is Sunday. So, they are not open. So, we decided to do it today. And then 13th, we'll be going for Barodra for my sonography. Kasi yun yung advice ng doctor. For 7 months pregnant lady, they are doing diabetes test talaga. And then, after dito, bago pala kami bumalik for the another test, pupunta si Milan sa hospital. So, ayan. So, we are in a hurry kasi he have a 9 o'clock duty. You're very busy, Milan? Very moto manas. Big person. Every now and then, you're going.
After the test, I'm free for 1 hour.
Actually, if you guys are wondering kung bakit iba yung sasakyan namin, our car is in Barodra. Mommy and Papa went to Barodra to see Dada's surgery. Actually, Milan was there also last night, pero kailangan umuwi ni Milan. What time the operations finish yesterday, Milan?
Around
8:30, 9 o'clock.
8:30 to 9, yeah, 8:30 to 9. When we called you? 8:30 to 9.
So, the operation of Lola is finished ng 4 na oras. Nag-umpisa siya ng 5 o'clock. Natapos siya ng 8:30 to 9 o'clock. So, ayun. Kaya kailangan magstay doon ni Mommy and Papa. They wanted to stay there. So, kailangan umuwi ni Milan dito sa bahay for my test today. Kaya kami lang dalawa and kasama namin yung 3 bata. So, natutulog pa sila ngayon. Balitaan ko kayo sa mga kaganapan dito. First, magpapa-test muna kami. The road is still not busy. There are workers already. Kera, big merchants. But earlier we had an accident. Good thing you're not on duty right now.
Otherwise, sir, there is patient. And then I would wake up early morning. Good thing it's not my duty.
It's very busy hospital kung saan nagtatrabaho si Milan. Kung hindi, if Milan's duty today, won't be able to go and do my, also do my test.
I know. We will do it later on, 8 o'clock.
But I won't be able to eat by that time. Kasi I have to eat before,
What time is it?
Nakarating na kami, guys. So, ang daming mga nakapila. Dito kami blood report. Toprani. Let's go inside. Na-injection na tayo, guys. And what I don't like is they will inject me again later. So what will happen to me when I'm about to give birth?
Such a yes.
Milan, you see how much you gave me?
This is nothing. This pain is nothing.
Oh my gosh. To be honest, I'm scared kung ano yung mangyayari sa akin.
Bless. You have to remove the bless.
Kumakain na si Milan ngayon ng guys, ng Debra. What are you eating? Debra at Hanu and chai. So the time is
healthy breakfast.
and I drink only milk and this butter cookies. And the time is 8:30. So we went to the hospital around 7 o'clock. So ngayon, kinuha na yung dugo ko, and Doc Milan will have duty around 9 o'clock. So you will be back 1 o'clock. And we will leave for 2 o'clock again, no? They will get my blood again. How many times do they have to get my blood?
So many times. It's less than what I get.
So ayun, guys. The doctor said that I should eat normally, no? Whatever I'm eating, I should keep on eating that so they can test my proper diabetes. If there's diabetes, proper sugar, and all. So, well na lang siyang 30 minutes. You will leave early today? So you can come back early also?
No, I will come back 1 o'clock.
Okay. So, ayan. Ready na si Doc. Balitaan ko kayo mamaya, guys. Maliligo muna ako kasi hindi ako naligo. Hindi pa ako nakakaligo kasi pinag-brush lang ako ni Milan. Tapos, diretso na kami sa clinic para magpa-test. So, maliligo na ako and then may edit na, tapos kakain. Actually, sa pagkain namin, guys, 2 katao yung nagsabi na pagdadalhan nga daw nila ako ng pagkain dito. Yung kapitbahay namin, tsaka yung mother-in-law ni Janu. Kasi nga, kailangan kong kumain ng full Gujarati meal dal bhat sa Crotli para makita nga nila yung proper na sugar ko. So, dadalhin daw ni Pragnamasi dito yung pagkain mamayang 12 o'clock. So, kailangan ko daw bumalik after 2 hours pagkatapos kong kumain. So, 2 o'clock, that time nandun na si Milan for break. Merong break si Milan ng 1 to 3, right? So, pupunta kami dun sa Toprani and then magpapatest ulit kami. So, yun yung lang yung mga kaganapan dito. Dumating na din si Sonal Masi. Naglilinis na siya. And then, binigyan ko na rin siya ng chai and Debra. So, ayun. Hinihintay ko lang matapos yung 2 bata dito na maligo para makaligo na rin ako. So, I'll update you later, guys, sa mga kaganapan dito. Time to leave na.
Time to leave my job.
Mukesh Kaka don't need to use that car.
No.
It will be in our house for the whole day. So, yun yung car, guys, na hiniram namin kay Mukesh Kaka. But Milan will be using bike. Init. Grabe. Kailangan ko nang maligo. Hinihintay ko lang umalis siya. You have towel? Pen? Everything you need?
I don't have pen.
Sorry, man.
I'm like a soldier without a gun.
You don't have pen. Pen and towel. Towel na.
Without pen, I'm a soldier.
Towel.
Without a gun. No, no need towel.
How come? Okay, OPD only, no surgery today. Hey, what if you have to wash your hands?
There is towel in OPD.
Chala. The time is 2 o'clock, guys. So, kumain ako kaninang 12 o'clock and dumating na rin si Milan from duty. Why are you wearing same clothes again?
Because I don't need it to
No, you change the long sleeve kasi very mainit. Naka long sleeve kasi siya, guys, kapag pumapasok siya ng hospital. Pero sobrang init, guys. Ayaw ko nga lumabas ngayon ng bahay. Kaya lang kailangan ko pumunta dun sa laboratory para nga kuhanin yung dugo ko ulit. So after nung diretso na lang kami sa bahay. Milan, very hot, direct.
Sobrang mainit, guys. Sobrang mainit.
Sobrang mainit talaga. So ayun, tatapos lang namin yung trabaho namin. And then uwi na kami sa bahay para matulog. Para makaalis na rin kami sa 13. Bibisitahan na namin si Lola nun kapag magpapacheck up kami for my sonography. So ayun, guys, I'll see you later. Sabihin ko sa inyo kung ano yung resulta. Tomorrow is the result? Or
yes,
today?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow yung result. If Bumalik kami kanina ng 12 o'clock. Maaga akong kumain. I will get the result by night. Pero, dahil late nga kami kumain ng late nga kami kumain. So, makukuha ko na lang yung result by tomorrow. So, ayun guys. Chalo, I'll see you later. Paano kaya nakakating ng mga taong mag-bike, no, Milan? This is what you feel when you're doing bicycle whenever we don't have the car. 3 o'clock, you have to go to work.
You can see the hotness. You don't need to feel. You can see how hot it is.
Sobrang init. Grabe. Paano pa yung mga nagtatrabaho sa farm, no? Grabe. Sobrang mainit talaga.
The temperature right now is probably
50.
45.
45. So it's not that hot as compared to last time. You're saying it's 51.
No, there was no time there
was time it's 51. It's written. Ayan na may banda. Star band. Wala na yung nagtitinda ng mga talfuri. Finish na?
No, still.
Ayan o, ang dami pa rin nagtitinda ng talfuri dito guys. So, naka-season pa sila. Ayan. Summer fruit. Hindi na niya nakaya yung init guys. That's why you're going here for ice cream. Ay, hindi. Very mainit. It's very cold in here. Grabe. So, let's go. Bili tayo ng ice cream. Kainin natin lahat ng gusto natin. Buy whatever you want. Ice cream so much. Look, there's a lot of flavors. Which one you want? Let's order that one. That slice.
No.
Huh? They also have roll cut in here. Oh. Merong cone din kung gusto mo ng cone, guys. So, kakain muna kami ni Milan, naka-AC dito. Ask them to clean this. Put it aside. Let's go and order. Daming flavors. Dito yung lagi namin pinupuntahan whenever we want to eat sliced ice cream. Which one is the best seller here? Butterscotch?
No.
What do you recommend?
I think American nuts.
American
is really good one.
Nah, I don't like asada. It's too much flavor. So we ordered this one. What is this, Milan?
Roasted almond.
And this one is?
American dry fruit.
American dry fruit. Let's try this one first. Yours looks more, marami siya to it. You get this very, very expensive one.
No, this one is for you actually.
Let's try this one. This is my first time trying this roasted almond. They give it by slice. How much for this slice? 40 rupees. 60 rupees. Around that.
Taste this one.
Then try this one. This is what?
American dry fruit.
Dry fruit. Which one you like more? This is better?
Both are good.
Choose one na.
This one is better.
Let me try. I will be the judge. I will try this one. Since it's very hot in here guys sa India, sabi ko kay Milan, let's go and eat some ice cream first before we go home. I am done, no? I did 1 and 2. Dalawa. So I can eat now. I hope I don't have diabetes. Tasty.
Very tasty, right?
Tasty. Wait, let me try this one.
See, that one is better.
This is better. I like this. It's expensive, I think, this one. That's why. That's why it's famous.
And guys, we are in banana farm right now. Look at the size of banana. And this is the baby plant. Once this got cut, we will grow that one more. They do blue bagging to protect it from the insect. inside there will be quality bananas. Once they sprayed it, they will do blue bagging. Look at the size, guys. Guys, update of papaya farm. It's this big right now, and if you see, there is already papaya. Yeah, no, new flowering is keep on coming up until there. And if you see, it's very heighted already. It's same height as me already. And new flowering, and this is male plant, guys. Huh? Male plant. It doesn't produce any papaya. It's just sperm producer. That's the flowering.